Anyway, I'm on my way to Ultimate Kawasaki Yamaha Springwood. This is a place where I bought Vulcan from, and that place, they're very, very friendly. They understand the passion that you have for motorcycles. You know, they're not just your ordinary salesman. You know, they're not trying to sell you something that you don't want or whatever. You know, they're very honest with you. They're very friendly. You know, they just respect you. You know, they understand the passion you have for motorcycles. Ooh. And yeah, they'll always do a good deal with you. They'll always make a deal. They'll always give you a deal that you'd be stupid to refuse, basically. I mean, they gave me a good deal on this bike, and they basically told me, mate, you'd have to be an idiot to refuse this. And I didn't refuse it. I'm not an idiot. I didn't refuse that deal because it was too freaking good. So, long story short, I used to have a Yamaha Virago 250. That's what I started out on, and I was trying to sell it privately, but that didn't really work out because the only inquiries I got were, you know, people that were scammers, or, you know, people that wanted to buy it for like scrap value so they can sell it for parts. I basically told all those guys to fuck off. So anyway, I rang up Kawasaki one day and I asked them, you know, I want to do a trade-in for the Vulcan, you know, what can you guys do? So they gave me a really, really decent trade-in price for my old Yamaha Virago. And then they asked me, when do you want to take the Vulcan? Oh, hello, Stacks. Oh, there's a big Zazarenko. Nice. Anyway, sorry about that. Lost my train of thought. Damn it. Stuff like that's distracting. I've got exhaust pipes like that on my ute. Yeah. Anyway, so they asked me, when do you want to take home the bike? And I said, preferably this week. And then they said, okay, we'll do you a deal. We'll drop the price down again so that you can pay for it now and take it home on Friday. And I said, you're shitting me, right? And then they said, no, we're serious. And I said, wow, you guys are champions. So here's the shop right here, guys, right there. Kawasaki Vulcan, Kawasaki Ultimate, Yamaha. Yeah, these guys are champions. They'll look after you. If you're in the market for a new bike, or you want to trade, or you want to do a trade-in, or you want to get a second-hand one, or whatever, this is the place to come, because they'll look after you. Where can I park? I might just park right here, hopefully they won't mind. But yeah, this is the place to come if you want a new bike, guys. And if my old bike is still here, I'll show you it in a second. Just let me get my gloves off. Unplug my GoPro's power cable. Take my keys. Right, let me just, hopefully it's still here. So I have had a couple of inquiries about it. Where is it? Oh, I like the music. Well, there's the new one. That's a new one. Kawasaki Vulcan. No, Yamaha Virago, sorry. Duh. Ah, there it is. This is my old one. So I got a friend of mine to do the custom flames. And it's got a pillion seat bag. Yeah, it's just, this is my old bike. It's been an awesome little bike. It's just wonderful, I love it. Anyway, I might go in and see the guys at Kawasaki, and oh, here's another Vulcan. What song is this playing? It sounds like Slipknot. Guess we'll find out. What a guess. It is Slipknot. What a guess. I said it sounds like Slipknot and it's People Equal Shit by Slipknot. I'm a huge heavy metal fan. Yeah! Alright, I'll go and put my helmet away and we'll go in and see the guys at Cracker.